Here we discuss the zoom and pan options. First, the zoom. We show how to obtain fine zoom step and smoothly pan the viewable window. But first, a quick recap. We have the View All tool and can use the numeric keys to zoom in and out. And also the mouse scroll wheel. But are the zoom levels coarser than you require? This is easy to customize from Settings, Preferences on the Display tab using the Zoom Slider control. Sliding this to the left will produce finer zoom steps. These are decoupled from the default numeric key zoom steps, which remain at their default settings. And now the pan option. Press the mouse wheel down and the mouse pointer changes to a hand icon. If you press and release the wheel while the icon is towards the edge of the editing window, the view will pan in that direction. Pressing and holding the wheel allows you to drag the view in any direction. This is very useful as your required PCB layout moves out of the current editing view. There are additional tools available. From the View menu, you can select Frame, which places the mouse in a framing mode. Click a starting corner and drag to the finishing corner, and when the button is released, the selected area is zoomed to a best fit in the editing window. An alternative is to select multiple components. Click the first component and control-click subsequent components that you wish to be in the zoomed view. Then from the View menu, click Selection, and again the editor view will zoom to a best fit of the selected components. In Creator and Engineer subscriptions, you also have the versatile World View tool. This displays the zoomed area of the PCB editor in relation to the complete PCB. It is also interactive. Draw a selection window in the World View and the editor will reflect this. The scroll wheel also zooms in on the world view, as does pressing the scroll wheel to pan your view. To summarise, this video shows how to use the smooth zoom and pan features and how to zoom an area by a frame or selected components. It also illustrates the additional flexibility provided by the World View tool.